Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In this video, we will learn how to assign moment release or partial fixed rigidity in ETABS 2016. First, we are analyzing fixed and supported beam with point load at the center. Now first go to File, New Model and select the Use Built-in Settings. Now first go to Define Material Properties. The beam have a 4000 KSI concrete strength. Now go to Define Section Properties Frame Section. Now delete all the existing frame section properties. Now add the new property of the concrete beam. Here the beam size is 12 by 24 we are defining. We are selecting the beam for the design type. Now go to Define and Load Patterns. We are changing the self-weight multiplier for the dead load type is 0 so that the ETABS will not take the beam self-weight in analysis. Now we are drawing the beam of 12 by 24 inch. Now select the joints of the beam and assign the fixed support. Now assign frame loads and point load. At the center, we are applying a 1 kip load. The relative distance of 0.5. Look at this. This is 1 kip load at the center of the beam. Now go to Analyze and run analysis. Now go to Display, Force Diagram, Frame Forces. Here this is a moment diagram. M33, check the value of 1.5 kip fit at the support. Now at the center of the beam, there is also a 1.5 kip fit moment. Fixed and beam with point load. We have the formulation of moment at end support center PL/8. So here is the value 1.5 kip fit, same as we get from the ETABS analysis. Now we are assigning a moment release in the beam. Select the beam, go to Assign, Frame, Releases Partial Fixed Rigidity, and at the start and end moment M33 value of 0. And go to Display, Force Diagram, Frame Forces. Note down the value at the center of the beam. There is 3 kip fit moment. For the pin supported beam, moment at center is equal to PL/4. Here we get the value of 3 kip fit, same as we get from the ETABS analysis. So this is how we apply the moment releases in the beam. Now we are assigning a 20% partial fixed rigidity at the beam joints. Here note down the value of modulus of elasticity. And here note down the value of inertia I33 to calculate the stiffness of the beam. Now select the beam, go to Assign Frame, Release Partial Fixed Rigidity. Here we give the value. Now applying partial fixed rigidity of 20%. The stiffness of the beam is equal to 2EI over L, where E is equal to modulus of elasticity and the I is inertia of the beam, which is BH cube over 12. And the length of the beam we have is 12 feet, which is 144 inches. So K is equal to 2EI over L, which gives the value 692,140.8 kip inch. Now reduction factor for 20%. Here 0.2 over 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.25. To frame partial fixed rigidity, spring M33 is equal to stiffness of the beam into reduction factor. So here we are input the value which we get from the calculation. Now go to Analyze and run analysis. Go to Display, Force Diagram, Frame Forces and check the moment M33. Now this is the fixed end moment, 0.3 kip feet. Now we have the moment at fixed end with 20% release is equal to 0.3 kip feet, whereas when we calculate the moment at fixed end with no moment release, we get the value of 1.5 kip feet. Here we mistakenly write here 30% of moment. It is actually a 20% moment. The 20% into 1.5 is equal to 0.3 kip feet, which is the same value as we get from the moment at fixed end with 20% release. So this is how we assign the partial fixed rigidity in the beam. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.